Hi there. Hope everyone is fine. Today we are going to, first of all, I'll introduce myself. My name is Dr. K. Lokeshwaran, working as assistant professor in Computer Science and Engineering Data Science Department. Today we are going to look at the basics of MS Word and also some nuances of MS Word. Um, Let us move on to our topic. First of all, you people must know, before going to look at Word, first of all, we need to know what is Word. Actually, Word is a document editor. What's the difference between Notepad and Word? Generally, Notepad is a text editor. Text editor in the sense it's basically you can correct the spellings in the text and you can read out the text. Such kind of operation can be only done in Notepad, but it doesn't support any uh, page by page document view or page by page uh, data manipulation or string manipulation. You can't done using Notepad. Whereas when it comes to Microsoft Word, which is also a text editor as well as a document editor. Here you can represent the document in the form of pages and we can make uh, entire project report or mailing list, whatever you want, we can do it with the help of Word. Word is such an advanced document and text editing tool. Now let us move on to Word. Let us see what are all the things inside the Word, and let us see few shortcuts in Word. So this is a latest version of Word. That is, I am using MS Office Word 2019. Preferably, I would like to recommend everyone should use original software. Don't go for pirated software because in pirated software you will miss lot of options. When it comes to original software, it will connect to the internet and it will bring lot of stuff to the Word. You can do some advanced manipulations also in Word. So let us move on to the let us move on to the Word. Let us see what are all the things inside the Microsoft Word. So initially, the initial window will look like that. You will have some pre-built-in templates like Welcome to Word, single space, bold, modern. These are all pre-built-in template which you can use for your purpose if required. Otherwise, you can always go for the blank document. So here is the blank document view. So overview of the Word interface. So this area is called the document area, and top above the document area, you can see some scales, like scale 1, 2, 3, 4. No, that scale is called as rulers. Basically, it is called as rulers. It will help us to adjust the margins, indents, tab spaces, everything. And on top of the ruler you can see some toolbars out there. You can, using those toolbars, you can do lot of operation. These toolbars are categorized into formatting toolbar, text toolbar, and so depending upon the option you choose, the icons in the toolbars will change. And top above the toolbars you will find menus. So by clicking the menus you can see the change in the toolbar icons and all. So lot of options are you can carry out using Word. And above the menu bar, there is a bar called, generally we can call that bar as a title bar. The title bar will show the file name. Currently we didn't save this file, so that's why it is showing the file name as document. After saving this document, immediately the file name will be reflected in the title bar. In the left hand side you can say auto save option. It's good to enable this auto save option always, because we don't know when the system will crash. So whatever the work we have done so far, no, it will get once the system will get crash means then all the works which you have done has completely will be goner. So in order, if maybe sometimes you will forget to save the document also. So in order to make the document by saving themselves, which will considerably reduce the damage happen to your document. You can easily retrieve the last point where you have done work, no, that we can retrieve easily. So let us move on to the home section. And one advanced option in Word we can look into, just come on to this view menu. There you can find lot of view option. This view related option is nothing but how you want to look the current Word window. That is the option or the options which are available in the view menu, no? That it will tell you how you want to view the current Word window. So here you can find lot of options. Basically, if you want to create any project report or document, what kind of any kind of document, we will use the print layout. mode. This print layout help us to view the documents in the page by page form, as well as it will allow us to do various formatting according to our wish. If you take read mode, immediately the view of the window changes to something like that. It doesn't look like there is no ruler, toolbars, nothing, a blank screen kind of thing. Here it will be easy for us to read the contents. That is the use of view read mode. Once again, if you want to go back to a normal mode, just go to the view menu, press edit document button. Once again, we will be back to the normal mode. Let us take one document and you will find a very interesting option out there. Okay, here I am having on a 9-page document. Now I am going to the view mode. There you will find one option called immersive reader mode. This will be a quite interesting feature. See, in immersive read mode, see the text words are, there is a large space between the words as well as between the space between the characters. It will be easy for the person who want to want to read the document, as well as the document to be read by someone. For example, there is an option called read aloud. Just click on that option. See, automatic reading. That is the advanced option which is incorporated in a newer version of Word. This will be quite useful for elder peoples when they want to read any documents. Quite interesting, is it, right? Okay. I'm just closing the I'm just closing that mode. And apart from that, if you want, maybe as I said, this document is having 9-page content. If you want to view 3 to 4 pages at a single view, means you can view you can choose multiple pages view in the menu. See, at a time it is showing 3 pages. Likewise, so this option is quite useful for us to view multiple pages at a same time. So let us move back to the 1-page view. So this is a normal view. See, once again, when returning back to the normal view, somewhat the zoom percent is very less, no? So that's why we can use that zoom 100% option. It will back to the normal view. Okay. So these are all the few things which you people must know it under the view area. As well as if you don't want that ruler to be in your view, you just remove that ruler option. Immediately the ruler from top and left side will be get hidden. If you want to enable it, just click it. Once again the rulers are back. So these are all the simple things which you people must know regarding the view. Next we will go for some basic operation using views and some shortcuts. First of all, let us go for the selections. Generally, we people used to select using mouse, while we will click on the mouse and drag the contents. That contents will be get selected. Otherwise, if you want to select the contents using keyboards, for example, single character wise selection means just you can hold shift button and right arrow, means character by character selection will take place. Otherwise, if you want to select word by word, means then control plus shift plus right arrow. So word by word selection is possible. Suppose if you want to do line by line selection, means shift plus down arrow. See, it's line by line by line selection. These are all the 3 different types of selections. So basically all these three types of selections are horizontal selections. So there is another amazing option in Word. If you want to select the contents vertically, instead of you selecting contents in horizontal fashion, if you want to select in a vertical fashion, that is also possible. Few people will admire. You people are never ever aware of this. Just hold the Alt button, Alt button, and press the mouse. See, you can able to select vertically. This is quite amazing, right? So basically the selection will be done using horizontal fashion. If you want to do the selection using vertical fashion, hold the Alt key and start dragging your mouse. You can able to select the contents in a vertical fashion. right. So now I am going to open one new document. Say, let us see what are the other shortcuts regarding the document editing. I'm just saying, hi, how are you? Okay. So this is one basically a plain text. So first we will go. We are going to look at the text formatting option. I just want to format this text. So all the formatting options will be available under home menu. In the home menu, you will find different section, that is cut copy, cut copy options, and for text formatting options. Then alignment options, like that many options are there. First we will look on to the text option. So after selecting the word, you can see the different types of font. Whatever the font you are selecting, it will be immediately reflected in the document, as well as the size. Okay. Suppose if you want to increase the font size without going and selecting here, there is a shortcut key called control plus shift plus right arrow. Okay, fine, no issue. Actually, once due to some screen recording software, some that particular key is not working right now. Later we can check out this. Okay, if you want to bold this text means the shortcut key is control bold, and if you want to italize this text means control I. If you want to italize, if you want to underline this text means control U. So mostly the control is going to be the basic key for shortcut. Later control plus other key is going to be the shortcut for using the word options. And suppose if you want to make superscript subscript, that is for example control italics, that is one square I want to make, control underline. Okay, I just want to make one square means here you find the text subscript, text superscript. This is superscript, this is subscript. See, if you want to make it using shortcut means then control shift plus, that is superscript, control shift plus. Once again if you press control shift plus means once again it will back to the normal size. Control shift plus is superscript. Then how to make subscript? Subscript is nothing but control equal to, see, subscript. Once again control equal to back to normal. Control equal to subscript. Once again control equal to back to normal. So these are the small short. Control plus B is bold, making text bolder. Control plus I is making text italicized. Control plus U is making text underline. And control plus shift plus uh, control plus shift plus is superscript. Control plus equal to is subscript. And one more another cool option is, for example, just look at this. I'm just doing a lot of formatting out here. 18. I'm changing the color of the text, or otherwise I'm going for some other formatting, and I'm increasing the text to 11 or some other size, 24, right? Okay. Okay. Next time. Now you now this text is in particular formatting, but you don't know what kind of formatting they have done. But you want your this text to make the same. You want to make the same text to make it this same formatting. So that the time what we can do means we can use format painter. First select the format which you want to copy. Just copy that and go to the format painter. Later come and place this pointer over any text. That text will be immediately changed to the copied format. This is also another cool option in Microsoft Word. Next one is alignment option. Basically now we will go for left alignment, center alignment, right alignment. So the basic alignment will be generally the default alignment is left alignment. If you want to make this text to appear center means control E. Control plus E is it will make your text to appear center. Control plus R is it will make your text to appear at the right hand side. This is text positioning, that is alignment, left alignment, center alignment, right alignment. So once again if you want to come back to the left alignments, control L. So this is all the shortcut key. Or otherwise, in the formatting toolbar, you can find the left alignment, center alignment, right alignment, right? And apart from these three types of alignment, there is another type of alignment called justification. Justification is nothing but justified by alignment. For example, already we have opened one document. See, okay, I'm just copying and paste it here. So if your text is not justified, means what will happen? Just check. See, now this text is in left alignment. Now you can clearly see in the left side, in the left hand side, in the left side margin, all the text are aligned properly at the same position. But when it comes to right hand side, just look at that. One line will be in rightmost, and second line will be in somewhat beneath the right for top of the first line. Likewise, the right hand side doesn't look great. It looks something like clumsy. Then the right hand side there is no evenness in text alignment. So if you want to make that left and right text should be properly aligned and in a even fashion, means then you have to use the justify option. That is justify alignment. Just select the text, and or otherwise in shortcut key Control J. Now you can clearly see in the left hand side and the right hand side the texts are equally distributed and it looks beautiful. So this is called justification alignment. And okay, suppose if you want to move this first word of the paragraph should be if you press tab key, means it will give five spaces, and your text will that first word will move five spaces, and it will look like a paragraph. Next, suppose if you want lines between the if you want spaces between the lines, then you can use the line spacing option. By default, the line spacing option is nothing, one. If you want to increase the line spacing, you can see the difference in spacing, 2.53, like that and all. So this is 1.5. The shortcut key for line spacing is control. For example, control 5 means 1.5 line spacing. Control 2 means control plus 2 means 2 line spacing. Control plus 5 means 1.5 line spacing. Likewise, in using shortcut key, you can do line spacing, or otherwise you can use this line spacing option here, right? And one more important thing is this is one paragraph, right? And let us put another paragraph over here. Okay, I'm placing one more paragraph. See, now this paragraph doesn't have any line spacing, so I'm giving just 1.5 line spacing, that is control 5. Okay, now I want to make this to be represent as a second paragraph. Just I'm pressing tab key, it will look like a next paragraph. Now if you want spaces between the spaces between the paragraph also, you can control in the word. Just go to the option, there is option called add space before paragraph, add space after paragraph. See here, by default there is no space between this paragraph and this paragraph. I am just going and using add space between paragraph. It clearly gives you a space between, no, it clearly gives you the space between the paragraph. Likewise, you can also add space between the paragraph. Next, okay, next, if you want, for example, I want to increase the font size, there is multimedia, control shift plus greater than symbol. It will increase the font size by 2 points. The shortcut key for increasing the font size is control shift greater than. There is a greater than symbol in a keyboard, no, that's why you can play. So if you press means control shift plus means, see see here, the font size is automatically increasing by 2 points. Control plus shift plus. So this is the shortcut. So control plus shift plus less than symbol means it will decrease the font size. To increase means greater than symbol. To decrease means less than symbol by pressing control shift greater than symbol or greater than symbol for increasing, less than symbol for decreasing the font size. See, but meanwhile, you can see we are given the space between the two paragraphs. There is a space between the two paragraphs, but intermediately the switching, the between the space, we can't write anything because we can't type any text because we have added the paragraph spacing. So that's why we can't type anything in between the paragraph if you use the paragraph spacing. So that's all about text formatting. See, in the toolbars, you can find different sections. That is, one is for copy and for copying and pasting options, another for text formatting option, and next another for alignment option. If you want to open any option, individual formatting option separately as a dialog box means, then you can use this. Inside every between every section, you can find one down arrow type kind of symbol. Just or otherwise, you can use shortcut key Control D for opening the font dialog box. Now here you can find lot of font related option and advanced option over here. Here in this toolbar you will find some basic operation. If you want any advanced font options means, then you can use those option as a separate dialog box. If you want to open the font dialog box, just use shortcut key Control D, or otherwise if you want to open any other advanced options under different section means, definitely there is going to be one arrow. You can press that arrow, immediately one dialog box will pop up. That pop-up box will have the advanced options for that kind. So that's all about basic formatting and all. In the next video we can see all other advanced options of Word. Thank you.